Hello friends, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 38. In this lecture we will explain algebraic expression. We studied about the algebraic expression in video 13. We will put the link of that video in description. You can see the algebraic expression in that video. Here we want to explain shortly this concept, algebraic expression. First we want to define this concept. The combination of constants and variables the combination of constant and variables connected by four fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, comma, multiplication, and division is known as algebraic expression. Example: x plus 4 comma minus 2 plus y comma 2x cube minus 3 and so on, etc. or examples of algebraic expression. It is the definition of algebraic expression: the combination of constant and variables connected by four fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, is known as algebraic expression. Example: x plus 4 minus 2 plus y, 2x cube minus 3, etc. or examples of algebraic expression. Also we can say 3 is an algebraic expression, because we can write 3 into x to the power 0. Here the variable is x. Now we want to explain some concept which we studied in the video 13. They are constant, variable, and constant variable terms of algebraic terms, and coefficient like and unlike terms. Here we want to explain this concept. Constant it is a quantity which is the value of that quantity is not changeable. Quantity the constant usually denoted by numbers 3, -5, 7, pi, and so on. They are constant. Variable do the quantity which their values is changeable. Variables denoted by x, y, z, and so on. Theorems, those expression, those constant and variable which they separated by the operation of addition or subtraction is called theorems. Here, if we see this 3x plus 5, it is here 3x is theorem, also 5 is another theorem. Also we can write 5x square minus 5 minus 7x plus 11y. They are here 5x square is an theorem, also minus 7x is also another theorem. Here 11y is also another theorem. Coefficient, we have two kinds of coefficient, numerical coefficient and variable coefficient. Here 5 is numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient, minus 7 also numerical coefficient, and 11 also here is numerical coefficient. But x is variable coefficient, y also is variable coefficient, and x square is also variable coefficient. Here we say coefficient. We also and another things like and unlike terms. If we have like terms, those terms which their variable are same is called like terms. Example, minus 3x square y is like term with 7x square y, because their variable are same. Their variables are same. X square y, x square y. We do not consider the numerical coefficient. If they are different, no problem. Just the variable they should be same. Minus 3x square y and 7x square y are like terms. Also, we can say minus 5x square plus 2x square, 2x minus 3x square plus 7x. Here, if we consider this expression, here minus 5x square is like term with minus 3x square, because here we have x square, here also we have x square, here we have x and here we have x. They are like terms, but x square minus 5x square with plus 2x is unlike term, because their variable are different. Here we have x square, here we have x. So they are different, therefore they are unlike term. These were the concepts which already we explained about them. Now we want to explain types of algebraic expression based on the number of the terms they contain. We want to explain this title. Here we have 4 kind of algebraic expression based on the number of the terms which they have. First one, monomial, is an algebraic expression algebraic expression which has only one term. Example: 2x comma 3x square cube comma minus 5x y square comma minus 3 and so on. They are called monomial because they have one term. Every one of them is one term. Therefore, they are monomials. Second one, binomial. Second one, binomial. Is an algebraic expression which has two terms. Example: a plus b comma x minus 3y square x cube minus 5z. They are etc. They are binomial because they have two terms. A plus b, just we have two terms. X minus 3y square, it has two terms. Also x cube minus 5z, it is an expression which has two terms, x cube minus 5z, because all of them are called binomial. Third one, trinomial. Is an algebraic expression, which has three terms. Example: a comma b, a plus b minus 3x comma x cube minus 5z plus y and etc. They are trinomial because they have three terms: a plus b minus 3x. It is a trinomial. Also, it is also another trinomial. They are called trinomial because they have three terms. Number 4, quadrinomial. An algebraic expression which has four terms is called quadrinomial. It is the definition of quadrinomial. Example: 2 minus 3x plus 4z minus c comma a plus b minus c plus y comma x cube minus z cube plus 2 minus 7c square. They are quadrinomial because they have four etc. Here we should write etc. They are quadrinomial because they have four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the lesson of the lecture of 38, which we studied about algebraic expression, types of algebraic expression. We explain about constant, variable, term, like term, unlike term, also coefficient. I hope you understand this lesson. If you find this lecture it was useful for you, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thank you.